I like spring more than fall. I like spring more than fall. Sorry, I'm late. Sorry, I'm late. Please ask him to call me. Please ask him to call me. That's great news. That's great news. You're never too old to learn. You're never too old to learn. Nothing could sway his conviction. Nothing could sway his conviction. I often borrow books from the library. I often borrow books from the library. We are university students. We are university students. Let's do this later. Let's do this later. Do you hear me? Do you hear me? It's not your fault. It's not your fault. Did you watch the game? Did you watch the game? He invited me to dinner. He invited me to dinner. I don't understand you. I don't understand you. The water is not boiling yet. The water is not boiling yet. Tom hasn't decided yet. Tom hasn't decided yet. What's the weather for Saturday? What's the weather for Saturday? That sounds fun. That sounds fun. How long will it take to the station? How long will it take to the station? I'm pretty happy. I'm pretty happy. It's upside down. It's upside down. Could I see a menu? Could I see a menu? Sorry to take up your time. Sorry to take up your time. Let's stay in touch. Let's stay in touch. I feel sick. I feel sick. It is far from here to Paris. It is far from here to Paris. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? I hope he'll get better soon. I hope he'll get better soon. We'll get there in 3 hours. We'll get there in 3 hours. How about a break? How about a break? Could you take our picture? Could you take our picture? Sorry to bother you when you're busy. Sorry to bother you when you're busy. We're almost there. We're almost there. I think I've learned a lot. I think I've learned a lot. These shoes are big enough for me. These shoes are big enough for me. Did you make up your mind? Did you make up your mind? Why don't we go shopping together? Why don't we go shopping together? Please tell me what to do. Please tell me what to do. Can you help me a little? Can you help me a little? What time does the store close? What time does the store close? Please take me to the hospital. Please take me to the hospital. Did you enjoy yourself at the party? Did you enjoy yourself at the party? What's the weather for Saturday? What's the weather for Saturday? Could you give me a discount? Could you give me a discount? I'll try to meet your wishes. I'll try to meet your wishes. Let's get a group photo. Let's get a group photo. It took more time than I'd expected. It took more time than I'd expected. I don't want to wait that long. I don't want to wait that long. That's embarrassing. That's embarrassing. I believe in love. I believe in love. I'd rather live in a wooden house. I'd rather live in a wooden house. We can't give up. We can't give up. I wish I could stay longer. I wish I could stay longer. The world is full of problems. The world is full of problems. Wait for us in the lobby. Wait for us in the lobby. Everybody loves her. Everybody loves her. The doctor is gentle with his patients. The doctor is gentle with his patients. Who taught you that? Who taught you that? Nice meeting you. Nice meeting you. Everything's good. Everything's good. Is that possible? Is that possible? Excuse me, but where is the library? Excuse me, but where is the library? Could you say it again? Could you say it again? This is a picture of my sister. This is a picture of my sister. Would you like something hot to drink? Would you like something hot to drink? I have no idea. I have no idea. Couldn't be better. Couldn't be better. Kick as hard as you can. Kick as hard as you can. Could you speak more slowly, please? Could you speak more slowly, please? How have you been? How have you been? I remember it like it was yesterday. I remember it like it was yesterday. Don't miss it. Don't miss it. Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? Can I taste it? Can I taste it? I'll take you home. I'll take you home. Let's hear the rest of the story. Let's hear the rest of the story. I'm so glad that I met you. I'm so glad that I met you. I like mystery. I like mystery. Water reflects light. Water reflects light. Suits me fine. Suits me fine. It sounds interesting. It sounds interesting. I have a dictionary. I have a dictionary. How sweet. How sweet. I'll help you. I'll help you. Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy? Don't believe everything people tell you. Don't believe everything people tell you. My throat hurts. My throat hurts. What language was that? What language was that? Nice meeting you. Nice meeting you. Can I try these on? Can I try these on? The train hasn't arrived yet. The train hasn't arrived yet. I have no idea. I have no idea. What are you reading? What are you reading? Thank you for coming today. Thank you for coming today. Did you have a good time? Did you have a good time? Good luck on your match. Good luck on your match. Who is this? Who is this? We had an examination in English yesterday. We had an examination in English yesterday. How did you two meet? How did you two meet? Can I see this one? Can I see this one? The bag is full. The bag is full. Is this your first time in San Francisco? Is this your first time in San Francisco? Let me check. Let me check. Where do you want to go? 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 There are trains every 20 minutes. There are trains every 20 minutes. It looks like it's going to rain. It looks like it's going to rain. Do you want to take a walk? Do you want to take a walk? You look great. You look great. I'm so glad that you're here. I'm so glad that you're here. Ben has been looking for you. Ben has been looking for you. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I like my coffee strong. I like my coffee strong. I want to see you smile. I want to see you smile. You are beautiful. You are beautiful. We had to keep it secret. We had to keep it secret. What a relief. What a relief. I feel much better now. I feel much better now. I would like batteries for this device. I would like batteries for this device. Who is the author of this story? Who is the author of this story? I took a walk with my dog. I took a walk with my dog. This camera is cheap. This camera is cheap. Did you sleep well? Did you sleep well? I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to it. I was late to school. I was late to school. Got it. Got it. That's great news. That's great news. Let me help you with that. Let me help you with that. Her hair is long. Her hair is long. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. May I ask who's calling, please? May I ask who's calling, please? It's very thoughtful of you to say so. It's very thoughtful of you to say so. Thanks for everything. Thanks for everything. What happened? What happened? How about having dinner together tonight? How about having dinner together tonight? Is that okay? Is that okay? Some children do not like vegetables. Some children do not like vegetables. I felt bad. I felt bad. I don't sleep a lot. I don't sleep a lot. Can I have a wine list? Can I have a wine list? Where is the closest hospital? Where is the closest hospital? I got suntanned. I got suntanned. Did you buy cat food? Did you buy cat food? I was very busy today. I was very busy today. Did you make it yourself? Did you make it yourself? He is depressed. He is depressed. My memory isn't as good as before. My memory isn't as good as before. The sooner, the better. The sooner, the better.